Welcome to Logos Center. As you see, our personal study time is going on. Students are busy in exploring their textbooks and gathering information. And we have different practical sessions also. We will be having one of the practicals today now. And before that, I'd like to tell you what exactly we are going to do. So please come with me. As you see, we have a lot of plants in this center. Flowers are there, vegetables are there, fruits are there. All these things make our compound very green and looks very healthy. We grow tomatoes in this season. As you see, our tomatoes have become big. Some are ripening. So today I'm going to teach children how do we grow tomatoes. Many of them do not have any idea how vegetables grow. So let's have the session. Well, how many of you do gardening or ever done gardening? Even a single plant?
Sir.
None of you?
No, sir.
None of you?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll do some very simple plantation today. We will grow tomato seedlings from seed. Alright, so we have got soil here. This is plain garden soil, and then we have taken little manure. Can you tell why we have taken very little manure?
No, sir.
Germination does not require much nutrients. That's why we need very little. Okay, even if you don't put this, it will germinate. So we'll mix it. Mix well. And then we'll put this soil inside this tray. Why did I take these stones here? Any idea? See, there is hole here. If I don't put it like this, then the soil will get out of it. Okay?
Sir.
So I'm placing soil here in this. Nicely. Yes. And I have left little bit so that we can put it on top of it. So whenever you put some seedling, the bed should be very much even so that all the seed go to the same depth and germination becomes very easy. Alright, so now we have, look, these are tomato seeds from our garden. Did you see our tomato plants? Have you seen tomato plants here in the garden? So from these trees only we have collected last year, and we will be just placing it on this soil. Now why don't you take turn and put some on this? Come on, come on. Take some seeds, 2-3 seeds, and then sprinkle it. Yeah, yep, do it, all of you. Take turns. It should be sprinkled all around. Yes. Not much, yeah. Little. Oh yes. Good, very good. Let me put my share also. All right, and then we will cover it with soil. That's why we have left a little bit of soil here. So evenly we have to put, so that every seed is covered. Nicely all over. It should not be covered too deep. Okay, so that's why we have to maybe at the most ½ inch on top of the seeds, so that germination becomes easy and it can come out of soil easily. We will monitor this every day. We'll see when it comes out. Now after this, tell me what we are supposed to do on this. Is this over? Yes, very good. You know what you have to put. Water is very important. Without water, it will not germinate. Why do we need water? Seed should get soaked because it is dry, and then sprouting becomes easy. Okay. All right. So we'll put water in. So Vino, can you help me in watering? Just hold this. I'll hold it here because otherwise it will spoil our table. Now, do it all around. Yes. Okay. All right, wait. Let it get soaked nicely. Once it gets soaked, then we'll put some more. Okay, put some more. That's it. Okay, good. Yeah, this is fine. Right. So now we'll keep it in warm place, open area, but we will cover it in night so that excess dew does not get in. So we'll just keep it here, and every day we'll observe. And once we see sprouts coming, we'll take picture of it, and then we'll make note of it. Now, I want you to note down today's date so that you will know exactly how much time it is taking to germinate. It will be a good record for you. Okay? Very good. Thank you very much for all your cooperation. Let's get back to our class.